Flowercore, Bloomcore, Cottagecore. What is the core of your design inspiration? Today, let's look at vibrant, fabulous flowers. Flowers, searching out bold, bright colors. Stock, genista, feverfew, tulips. A base of curly willow. That will become the mechanics. Already bound it together, creating an armature so it's ready to go. And then a fabulous turquoise vase. Now those of you that have been to flower school, you know the color harmony. We've got analogous with the vase as the direct complement. So this is truly going to pop. With the armature in place, it's easy. Just taking the blooms, and remove most of the foliage, giving them a cut, and then feeding them through, getting them down into the water so that they drink well. Some a little shorter, some a little bit longer so that it extends out more. Coming across to the opposite side. Letting it drop into the water and extend outward. Adding in tulips. Removing some of the foliage, cutting, and then tucking them in. You can see the willow holds everything right where I want it. Following on with the Flowercore trend, foliage is secondary. None or just a little bit. For this, to add a little more pop of vibrant green, rather than traditional foliage, going to mint. Yes, mint like you could grow in your garden, and tucking that in, making all the other colors just pop. Then to add a layer of delicacy right over the top, bits of feverfew, breaking it down, and then feeding it in for a light layer. The recipe, about 1/4 of a bunch of curly willow and about 1/4 of a bunch of mint. Then 6 stock, 6 tulips, 3 stems of the genista, and 3 stems of feverfew, paired with the vibrant vase. Fabulous. Flowercore can be interpreted so many different ways. Today, it spoke to me with vibrant hues, but it doesn't have to be. What does it speak to you? Is it saying pastel, vibrant, monochromatic? You'll find more creative inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. Gather your favorite blooms, create a fabulous arrangement. Be sure to post it on social media and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way I can see, and we all can see what you do as you do something you love.